My name is Priscilla Parra with Ambitious AF. I am here showing you how to use Asana to organize your business, and we're talking about organizing a content calendar. So I'm going to show you from scratch. If you watched the previous video on how to create a content bank on Asana, I would recommend you watch that video. We will link it for you. But anyhow, so I have what mine is called is the house of content. So if, let's just say I wanted to start putting together a map for what next month's content would look like. I like to be a little bit more than just a month ahead, but I'm just showing you blank ones they're just copies and blanks of what I already have. So if let's just say CRMs and software, I want to use that topic and I want to get this posted for next month. Let's just say, okay, that'll be day one. And I'm going to say best CRMs to organize your business, right? I could do that. So that's one business, that is one idea. And so what I would do here now is I would start assigning people to go ahead and take care of this. I would put the details of the copy in here. I would then, if there was any other task related to this that might not be the entire task, then you start adding subtasks. Then you want to start assigning a main person who's going to have a due date associated to this. And I would always make the due date before the actual day where the content is supposed to be. So the due date would actually end up being before this. And then we can add people to the conversation, message them in here, message them in the description. This was a template that I found within Asana already. Sometimes I use it and sometimes it doesn't apply, but it doesn't matter. It's just there. This can be removed if you ultimately want to remove it. But there's different ways to play with that. But anyway, so I would do this just with every day and say, let's just say I wanted to post different times of the day because I post multiple times a day. Then I would have everything already here. So once my graphics team has been assigned, graphics team goes ahead and puts the graphics or the links to it in case we need to make any edits on the fly. They reply with their comments and we keep track of what's going on with all of these posts in advance. So that way, by the time the first comes, my other software that I have will go ahead and post this for me out of whatever I feed it. So this is really cool feature for Asana as well, to create a whole nother project in your profiles for the actual content calendar. So this is, I've used so many CRMs and automation softwares that post for you, but I always felt like there was a problem with them and I couldn't really control what I wanted to do in there. The communication wasn't the best. And trust me, I really have tried a lot of them. And so now with Zapier, which is the second software that generates content and gets it posted for me, or if you had someone solely dedicated to just social media, then this is your way of controlling what gets posted, but someone actually manages that aspect for you. So whatever way you want to handle this, there's all kinds of ways, but this can be automated with tons of different softwares. But I appreciate Asana because I can do everything for my projects and my business kind of in one place. And then I just link it to other softwares that help me continue to improve my productivity. So that is one way. And I would just keep putting them out. You put the time that it's due and all this and that. So that's how you would use Asana for your social media calendar. Also, not just when I say social media, I just want to point out that social media is just one avenue of your marketing. So your content calendar could also include your newsletters, your blogs, things like that. So it could all be mapped out here and it could be specifically marked the way you want it and people would know what it is. So you would say blog post or whatever, and you can create there's different views on here as well. So this is the way I like to look at it for my content calendar. But let's just say I want to see what everyone's supposed to be doing at more of a glance and see the progress, and I can change the way that I view this here. And so then if there's anything that's past due or hasn't been done, you can see that at a glance. It's a little bit different. And then I like board view as well, because then these are a little bit different on the way that it just lays it out. And it's like, okay, September, October, November. So this is pretty freaking cool. I love this. I love this. So if you need more help with Asana and setting this up so you can actually automate that, you can reach out to me. I do have some systems in place where we can help do that for you so that you're not sitting here wasting time, because unless you are just starting off your business, it becomes a lot more work to keep adding more tasks to your plate to be doing these things for yourself. It just makes no sense. So if you are an established business owner, we can do these things for you. If you are a new DIYer business owner, then I have resources such as this, and then we'll have some more opportunities for you to ask for personalized help. So we're gonna have a membership available for you for that kind of monthly or weekly, whatever it is that you choose, the support that you need to be able to accomplish these goals and also to hold you accountable. So that's what's coming up. So make sure, if you like this video, if you find it helpful, make sure you like it, subscribe to the video wherever it is that you're watching, and make sure that you share this with others, someone that you know might benefit from these tools. Thank you.